Gross domestic product (GDP) measures the overall economic output of a nation. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money. Unemployment occurs when people who are willing and able to work cannot find jobs. The central bank influences an economy through the control of the money supply. Supply and demand are fundamental principles that drive economic markets. Fiscal policy involves government spending and taxation to influence the economy. Monetary policy is managed by the central bank to control inflation and stabilize the currency. A recession is defined typically as 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth. Comparative advantage refers to a country's ability to produce a good or service more efficiently than another country. The business cycle represents the fluctuations in economic activity over time. The stock market enables companies to raise capital by issuing shares. Economic indicators help us to gauge the overall health of the economy. Interest rates affect the cost of borrowing and are used as a tool in monetary policy. A trade balance is the difference between the value of a country's exports and imports. A budget deficit occurs when government spending exceeds revenue. The foreign exchange market enables currencies to be exchanged in order to facilitate international trade. Consumer Price Index (CPI) is a measure used to estimate the average change in prices paid by consumers for goods and services. Elasticity measures how much one economic variable responds to changes in another. Opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative that is given up when making a decision. A bond is a debt security that pays periodic interest and returns the principal amount at maturity. Aggregate demand is the total demand for goods and services within the economy. A market economy is driven by individual entities and is subject to minimal government intervention. The law of supply states that, other factors constant, an increase in price results in an increase in the quantity supplied. A tariff is a tax imposed on imported goods. Economic growth is an increase in the production of goods and services in an economy. Income inequality refers to the uneven distribution of income within a population. A bear market is characterized by falling prices for a prolonged period. Marginal cost is the additional cost incurred by producing one more unit of a product. Demand pull inflation occurs when demand for goods and services exceeds production. Economies of scale occur when increased output leads to lower per unit costs. Perfect competition is a market structure where many firms offer products that are similar in nature. The labor market refers to the supply and demand for labor. The poverty line is a calculated amount of income used to determine the proportion of the population living in poverty. Market equilibrium occurs where the supply of goods matches demand. A progressive tax takes a larger percentage from high-income earners. The Federal Reserve is the central bank of the United States and influences monetary policy. Externalities are side effects or consequences of economic activities on unrelated third parties. Microeconomics explores the behavior of individual households and firms. Macroeconomics studies the performance and behavior of an economy as a whole. An oligopoly is a market structure dominated by a small number of large firms. A monopoly exists when a specific person or enterprise is the only supplier of a particular commodity. The Laffer curve illustrates the concept of taxable income elasticity. Quantitative easing involves the central bank purchasing government securities to increase the money supply and lower interest rates. Stagflation is characterized by slow economic growth and relatively high unemployment alongside rising prices or inflation. Consumer surplus is the difference between the total amount consumers are willing and able to pay for a good or service and the total amount that they actually do pay. The Phillips curve represents the relationship between the rate of inflation and the unemployment rate. The Pareto efficiency is a state of allocation of resources from which it is impossible to reallocate to make any one individual or preference criterion better off without making at least one individual or preference criterion worse off. Keynesian economics primarily deals with the cyclical fluctuations of an economy. The gross national product (GNP) counts all the output of the residents of a country. The invisible hand is a metaphor for how, in a free market economy, self-interested individuals operate through a system of mutual interdependence to promote the general benefit of society. Hyperinflation is an extremely high and typically accelerating inflation rate. A sunk cost is a cost that has already been incurred and cannot be recovered. The Lorenz curve graphically represents income distribution. The production possibility frontier PPF depicts all maximum output possibilities for two goods. Complementary goods are goods that, due to their nature, must be used together. A substitute good is a good that can be used in place of another. The tragedy of the commons is a situation in a shared resource system where individual users act according to their own self-interest and deplete the resource. Ceteris paribus is a Latin phrase that means, all other things being equal. The law of diminishing marginal return states that in productive processes, increasing the number of one input while holding all others constant will eventually yield lower incremental per unit returns. The multiplier effect refers to the proportional amount of increase, or decrease, in final income that results from an injection, or withdrawal, of spending. Arbitrage involves the simultaneous buying and selling of assets to profit from imbalances in their prices. A bull market is characterized by a prolonged period in which investment prices rise faster than their historical average. Purchasing power parity (PPP) is a theory which states that in the long term, exchange rates should move towards the rate that would equalize the prices of an identical basket of goods and services in any two countries. The balance of payments records all economic transactions between the residents of a country and the rest of the world. A price ceiling is a government-imposed price control that sets the maximum allowed price for a good or service. A price floor sets a lower limit on the price of a commodity in the market. Fiscal conservatism is a political and economic philosophy regarding fiscal policy and fiscal responsibility. Neoliberalism promotes policies of economic liberalization, including privatization, deregulation, globalization, and free trade. An auction is a process of buying and selling goods or services by offering them up for bid and selling to the highest bidder. A blue-chip stock is a nationally recognized, well-established, and financially sound company. Human capital is the stock of habits, knowledge, social and personality attributes embodied in the ability to perform labor so as to produce economic value. A cartography is an agreement among competing firms to control prices or exclude entry of a new competitor in a market. The sharing economy is an economic model defined as a peer-to-peer P2P-based activity of acquiring. providing, or sharing access to goods and services that are facilitated by a digital platform. Demand forecasting involves techniques and processes used in estimating future demand for products. Corporate social responsibility (CSR) refers to initiatives by firms to assess and take responsibility for the company's effects on environmental and social well-being. The Gini coefficient measures statistical dispersion intended to represent the income or wealth distribution of a nation's residents. Gross margin is the difference between revenue and cost of goods sold, divided by revenue. Consumer Confidence Index (CCI) is designed to measure the degree of optimism that consumers feel about the overall state of the economy and their personal financial situation. The marginal propensity to consume (MPC) refers to the proportion of an additional income that a consumer spends on goods and services. Price discrimination is a microeconomic pricing strategy where identical or largely similar goods or services are sold at different prices by the same provider in different markets. The concept of utility in economics refers to the satisfaction or pleasure that individuals derive from consuming goods and services. Cyclical unemployment refers to the unemployment that results from a period of declining economic activity. Consumer Price Index (CPI) is a measure that examines the average change over time in the prices paid by consumers for goods and services. Supply chain refers to the sequence of processes involved in the production and distribution of a commodity. Equity financing involves raising capital through the sale of shares. The law of supply and demand states that the price of a good will settle at a point where the quantity supplied equals the quantity demanded. Oligopoly describes a market structure in which a few large firms dominate the market. Market penetration is a strategy to enter an existing market with a new product or service. Opportunity cost refers to the loss of potential gain from other alternatives when one alternative is chosen. Predatory pricing is the illegal act of setting prices low in an attempt to eliminate the competition. The Glass-Steagall Act was a law that prevented commercial banks from engaging in the investment banking business. Macroeconomics is the study of economic systems on a large scale, e.g., total output, unemployment, inflation. Microeconomics explores the behavior of individual consumers and firms. A bear market is a condition in which securities prices fall 20% or more from recent highs amid widespread pessimism and negative investor sentiment. Economies of scale refer to the cost advantage that arises with increased output of a product. Default is the failure to repay a debt including interest or principal on a loan or security. Diversification is a risk management strategy that mixes a wide variety of investments within a portfolio. Gross domestic product (GDP) is the monetary value of all finished goods and services made within a country during a specific period. The Federal Reserve is the central banking system of the United States, providing the country with a safe, flexible, and stable monetary and financial system. Inferior goods are goods that see an increase in demand as the income of the consumer decreases.